Hey guys, it's Russell from Zanvak, and today we're going to be looking at the Wicked Edge Go Precision Knife Sharpener. This is the updated model of the Go system from a couple of years ago. Today we're going to open it up, show you what's inside, and show you some of the new key features of the system. So the system comes with a cardboard sleeve with an internal box with some branding on the side. So we'll take the sleeve off. And open her up. So we're greeted with some eggshell style paper packaging versus the plastic packaging that we normally get, which is a great little environmentally friendly alternative. We're getting some instructions around the practice knife. We're getting a QR code with instructions on how to use the system. A pack of the paperboard shims. The thinner blades, got our parts bag with Allen keys, depth gauges, etc. Got a C-clamp. We've got the 600 and 200 grit diamond paddles. So we've got two of those. We've got a bag that contains, we've got the practice knife, guide rods, and a depth gauge. And we've got the system itself. So let's check it out. So we've got a full aluminium construction with the base, the blue part. Got the new jaws with the 3 fingers. This is great for distal tapered blades, which is your things like your Spyderco full flat grind blades, kitchen knives are generally this as well. So this is a great addition for better support along the back of the spine. We've also got a nice, clear and easy to read angle increment gauge. The new Wicked Edge logo is also on there. And then on the back we've got a made in the USA, which is kind of neat as well. So you can see that the base of the slides has some nuts in there that are retaining the slides. You loosen off this, and it's quite a smooth action to slide it, and you got this little marker here which will indicate a rough idea of what angle you're in, and you lock it in place and it won't move. You've also got a little retaining ball in the actual slider, and this just retains this nut here from falling out, and the guide rod will actually sit in here. So we'll open the guide rods up and fit them up. So we've got our alignment guide, got a Wicked Edge branded practice knife, which is pretty cool. And we've got the new guide rods with a machined ball on the end, and the ball itself is quite polished, which hopefully makes it quite smooth. So to do this, we unscrew this little screw here, and we'll remove the white retaining ball and set that aside. Then we get the new one, the rod in the system. Tighten down that screw. And what we want to do is tighten it enough that the guide rod stands up all by itself. So I'll do the same on the other side. It's a great compact system for on-the-go sharpening. You've got mounting holes in the base if you want to permanently fix it to a workbench, or you make your own base, or you get the supplied C-clamp and mount it to the front of the system onto a workbench or something similar. Something when you're on the go on the back of a utility work tray or something like that. But you can see here we've got the rods, so they're standing up on their own. That's how you know you've got enough tension on the actual rod itself. So you get a nice smooth operation when you're using it. And the guide rods go on like the normal wicked edge sharpeners. And then we do have a really wide range of movement. And the guide rods feel really smooth, which is yeah, awesome, consistent feedback when moving the guide rod. So we'll just clamp up the sample knife with all the bits that come inside. So we have the standard Allen key that all the wicked edge sharpeners share. We've got the depth gauge, got two little rubber feet, which I assume for the base here to protect your work surface. We've got different length Allen key screws, which are shorter and longer versions of this, so you can clamp a various range of blades. And then we've also got some O-rings in the kit. So the way we'll clamp up a blade is much like any other wicked edge jaw mechanism. This is on the WE100 and the 120 series, before they moved into the cam lock vise in the WE130 and the Gen 3 Pro. Just take these off for now. Get our sample practice knife in here. Get our depth key. Mount that on the top there. Tighten up the top jaw. Then we add the final tension with the bottom. And that's not going anywhere now, that's solid. Take the depth key out. And then you can see how the blade's all clamped in place. It's quite secure actually. I'm adding a bit of force to that and I can't really move that with too much force. So this is the WE60 precision knife sharpener from Wicked Edge, which is now available from Zanvak.